Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how we can do break page in LibreOffice. So let's get straight into it. As you can see right here, I have right now the break uh, page break right here. But if I want to do another one, so okay, I will delete this way. And so I will go with my cursor right over here that I want to hear the break page right over here, as you can see. Now what I need to do is go here to insert at the top right bar and then page break and hit it. And now, as you can see, we have break page right where we left the cursor next to Emma slowly stepped inside. So this is, I think, better way than doing like, like that you're just hitting enter and do it like that. It's just simple insert and page break and you have really nice organized. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.